everyone, welcome back to my channel Musings of Akanksha. Today is our second episode in the series of FAQs wherein we take 5 FAQs about different aspects of life, wherein our last episode focused on FAQs related to parenting. In today's episode, we'll be taking FAQs related to marriage. So let's get started. So our first question is, how do you know you're ready for marriage? Well, very important question and a very relevant one. You really have to be sure that you are emotionally, mentally and financially ready for marriage. Why I say so? Emotionally, because you leave a earlier setup of yours and you move on to a new setup. You might not be able to give time to your previous people, previous relationships as much as you want to. No matter how much you balance out, there are times where you have to choose one and leave another, which gives a kind of emotional roller coaster to you. Mentally, because yes, marriage requires a lot of compromises, a lot of adjustments, so you have to be mentally, ready to do all that. Financially, because your burdens will increase, your responsibility will increase, you will have to start creating a new life of your own, so you'll have to make sure that you are in a financially secure space. That's it. Okay, so our second question says, how do you know you have found the one? Well, the one तो बहुत ही relative concept है, to each its own. And I'll not say कि stomach में butterflies होंगी या rainbow बन जाएगा, नहीं ऐसा सब कुछ नहीं होगा. But you have found the one when you meet someone who has same ideologies like you, who has same vision like you, who wants similar things in life like you want, and someone for whom making changes in your life will not look like a big task. For someone for whom you would actually want to shift your life, make a big change in your life, so you'll know that he's the one. Okay, so the third question is marriage hard? Well, everything is hard. Every relationship is hard. Marriage is hard, I'll not deny, but it is as hard as living with your sibling is. It is as hard as adjusting with your parents is. It is as hard as managing a new workplace is. So it's hard if you do not want to put efforts behind it. But if you really, if your relationship is really precious for you, if you really cherish it, I don't think it is hard to make it work. Okay, the fourth question says, what is the secret to a happy marriage? Well, कोई secret नहीं है happy marriage का, but मैं इसका आंसर थोड़ा सा candid और light रखती हूँ. 2 टीवी होने चाहिए. Okay, AC का temperature का एक average बना लो. Like I want my AC temperature to be around 26. My husband wants it to be around 16-17. तो हमने 22-23 कर लिया है एवरेज. तो एक एसी का एवरेज टेम्परेचर डिसाइड कर लो. 2 टीवी रख लो घर पे. साइड ऑफ बेड के लिए मत लड़ो. मतलब यार मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आता. मैं मूवीज में देखती हूँ दैट साइड ऑफ बेड, दैट साइड ऑफ बेड. मुझे तो दोनों साइड एक जैसी लगती हैं. साइड ऑफ बेड पे लड़ाई मत करो and just go out every week and enjoy life with each other, and that is how you will stay happy. Okay, so fifth and the last question of today's episode is, should couples share everything? No, I don't think so. A big no from my side. Why? Because I'm not asking you to hide things from your husband or your wife, but I'm just saying that sharing everything doesn't make any sense in any relationship. I don't share everything with my parents. I don't share everything with my siblings, my best friend, or even my husband. I share important things, necessary things, and a lot of things not necessary and not important, but almost everything. There has to be something almost. I'll tell you why. Because I'll share everything with my husband, but one day if he comes back and asks me a question about this thing that I've shared, it might look like he's intruding my space. So then that becomes a problem. Then he'll say कि यार मुझे बताया ही क्यों अगर मेरे से discuss नहीं करना था तो. So you have to keep something for yourselves only. That is what I feel. You complete sharing of things is not practical, not possible, and should not be done. Not just with your husband or wife, but in any relationship, I think so. Tell me, what do you think about today's episode? If you like the video, please press the like button. Also in your comments, leave your comments about the video. Or if you want me to make more such video, subscribe my channel if you haven't done that already. Also, do not forget to press the bell icon to get notified every time I post a video. Tata, bye bye, namaste.